Hello everybody, it's Martin Sadler from Dent-Remover. Today's repair is a bit of an adventure. I've got to go on a bit of a road trip to the coast and I'm going to look at a Morgan. I don't know if it's a new one or an old one. I've seen the pictures and the dent's on the arch. It's single skinned aluminium. I've done one before and I enjoyed it, and I'm going to do a video of this one and I'll show you how I did it or how I'm doing it. So I've took a wrong turn, but I'm in Robin Hood's Bay. There's my mate there.
Alright, Bob.
Yeah, thought so. Look at that view. Look at that. Very good. Yep, there's his mate. So I'll find out where I'm going and I'll show you the Morgan in a minute. Now it's a Morgan +4 and the damage is here. What's happened is something's dropped against the wheel arch and it's just tapped it. As it's tapped it, it's just moved slightly. So there's a couple of tiny little marks here as well. And then I've also noticed a smaller one there. So the tool that I'm going to be using today is, again, it's the Dodar. Looks a pretty savage tool, but it's a great tool for wheel arch damage. And pop it in there, use the wheel as leverage. I'm going to warm it up as well because it's aluminium, so you know, warm aluminium's a lot better to work with. I'm just going to gently ease the dent out, tap around these areas, and it'll come out. It looks spot on. So you just got to push it really carefully. Yeah. You know, nothing's going to pop out. As well with paint as well, every paint's different, and the last thing I want to do is crack this paint. No.
It's amazing, isn't it?
Yeah, keep everything warm and just nice little pushes. Yeah, just to see how the dent's actually going to come out, really. Spent about 10 to 15 minutes on this dent. I've got to go really carefully because it was such a sharp impact on the damage that it's kind of scored the paintwork. So when you're pushing the dent out, you've got the score in the middle of the dent. When you're pushing, the paint wants to do this. So the idea is to bring it up really carefully, warm up the area, and that's what I'm doing. So it does take a little time to do it, a little bit of a, you know, you just got to be really careful, and that's what I'm doing. So I'm just repairing these small little dents now. There was one that I marked up, but when I've put the line board on, I've noticed there's 3 or 4. So these are only just really tiny little dents. Don't take a lot of taking out. I'm using a metal tip because it's aluminium. Metal tip's always best. So this won't take long, about 5-10 minutes to get these out. thanks for watching, everybody. That's my Morgan +4 dent repair on the rear arch. We had to get the car back in the garage quickly because it started to rain. But I hope you enjoyed how I repaired it, and if you'd like to see any more, why not like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And it's Martin Sadler from Dent-Remover.co.uk. Thank you very much. Bye bye.